Today, a simple guide about how to upload a YouTube video in iPhone, Android or desktop. There are two ways to enter to uploading interface. First method, go to the youtube.com and click your profile avatar at the right upper corner. Select YouTube Studio. You will be redirected to YouTube Studio, then click create icon and select upload videos. Uploading interface is appear, then drag and drop your video file. Second method, directly click camera icon right upper corner of the youtube.com, then select upload videos. You will be automatically redirected to uploading interface, then click select files button, select your video file. You can see the progress of the upload bottom of the interface. This video is a summary of the YouTube video's uploading process. I will create another video for how to create SEO-friendly title, description and tags. After finishing the uploading process, you can save as a private video. Do not change anything here. You will find the video in YouTube Studio under Videos tab, then click Details icon. You can edit your video title, description and tags here. I paste the video title and description which I created, then save it. Under thumbnail, you can select automatically generated one or upload a better one by clicking Upload Thumbnail button, then select your thumbnail. If you want, you can use end screen videos and cards. For end screen, click pencil icon and select a template. Customize the template using Timeline and Video Element tab to save the changes. Select a playlist you created earlier or make a new one using Playlists tab. Do you want cards? Click pencil icon and use pop window to add a card. There are various types, select one that you want to add and adjust the timeline, then save. Last step, let's publish the video. Click Visibility tab that we previously used to private the video. You can choose Instantly Publish or Schedule. After completing all the metadata of the video, save the changes using the Save button top corner of the video.